Hey everybody, welcome to my solution on how to fix the fucking annoying problems in XSplit. Not only the audio lag, but that goddamn scene lag. It takes like 5 seconds to go from scene to scene. I spent years trying to fix this problem. Checked out so many different forums, could never find the answer. Tried all the updates to the drivers, doing all the different things they recommended, but no, none of it would work. So what happened is, man, I've been doing podcasting for a few years and my show just kept getting slower and slower, more and more lag. And I was almost at the point where I was going to switch back to OBS. But God, I love XSplit, so I wanted to find the solution. So guess what? I found the solution. I'll share it with you. See here in the bottom, when you had the free version of XSplit, there wasn't very many scenes that you could add. But when you pay to unlock the full version, boom, all of a sudden you're able to add more and more and more scenes. So yeah, I got carried away with adding too many scenes, added a whole bunch of scenes that had links to video, pictures, websites. And every time I did that, my show just kept getting slower and slower. And I never even thought it could be the scenes. Yeah, so when I talked to customer support today, one of the guys was really smart and he's like, hey man, try taking out some of those scenes and see if that speeds up XSplit for you. And what do you know, it fucking did. So yeah, I'm so happy right now. I don't have to switch back to OBS anymore. I got XSplit working good as new again. And I just got a quick message from my sponsor. Today's tutorial was brought to you by Crack. Crack, it'll fuck you up. Alright everybody, did you guys like that quick tutorial? Finishing quick is my specialty, and that's also the slogan for my t-shirt. So if you want to go into my links below, you can find a store link, and it also comes in bed sheets. Yeah, and not only those links, but you've got links below where you can get paid to listen to the radio, get paid to watch videos, paid to do surveys, get paid to do online shopping with cash back. And I've also got a Patreon link, so if you want to help out with my Patreon, you can do that too. And if you're into playing video games for money, make sure to check out that one, because you'll fucking love it, I swear. And if you don't, I don't know what. Alright, thanks everyone for watching my tutorial. Make sure that you never buy the products from my sponsor, because it will ruin your life. Bye for now. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I'll put a link here so you can watch a new video of mine.